There are various questions in permutations in which you are to use numbers from 0 to 9, where you can sometimes repeat the numbers, sometimes you cannot. Sometimes you can start the numbers by 0, sometimes you cannot. So let's look at this first example, in which repetition is allowed and you are given 4 dashes. If the repetition is allowed, so you know the first choice is always 10 numbers, and repetition allowed, that means 10 choices for each seat. So 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Next one, repetition not allowed. So first one, okay, it's going to be 10 because you still have the same choice. But because you use the first one, the next one decreases by 1. So 10, 9, 8, 7. Let's look at the third restriction, in which they say repetition is allowed but 0 cannot be in the first digit. So first spot cannot be 0, so out of 10 numbers 0 cannot be there, so you only have number choice 9. But next number you can repeat, so you can still go with 10, 10 and 10. Now in this one, repetition is not allowed but you can use 0. So if you can use 0, the number of choices is 10, and repetition not allowed, so it's just going to decrease by number 1, same as the before, part 2. Now fifth part, it's kind of mind-boggling, but concentrate. Repetition not allowed and 0 cannot be the first digit. So out of 10 numbers 0 cannot be used, so it's going to be 9, but one spot is already taken, so out of 10 you have to subtract one more, so it'll be 9 and then 8 and then 7.